Welcome to my dear children. Happy morning to all. This is our math class of class 6. Now we are going to learn chapter 1, knowing our numbers. First concept is comparison of numbers. So first of all we have to learn how we comparing the numbers. So after that we do our worksheet also. So first of all you have to know how we compare two numbers, which one is big one and which one is small one. For example, in previous classes you already learned that if there is 10 and 5, 10 is bigger than 5. So for this we have to indicate with some symbols. Those symbols are, this is less than, this is greater than, and this is equal to. Okay. So now we have to learn about these symbols. See, what is first one? Yes, first one is less than. The symbol known as less than. Okay. Next one, greater than. This symbol is greater than. Okay. Next one is equal to. Okay, right. So now by using these symbols, that is less than, greater than and is equal, we have to compare numbers. So this first symbol less than indicates that some number is less than that number. For example, if 10 and 12 is there, we know that this 12 is bigger one than 10. So we have to put the symbol less than. So this indicates we have to read this, that 10 less than 12. 10 less than 12. So we have to read that 10 less than 12. By this symbol we are knowing that this 12 is bigger than 10. So this symbol we have to read that as less than. So how you remember that this symbol is less than? See, the less than is begins with L, less than, and see this L is almost like this symbol. So try to remember this one. Less than will be like as L. Okay. After that greater than. How we use greater than? See, this is greater than symbol. For example, same 12 is here, 10 is here, Now we have to put this symbol greater than. Now we have to read that 12 greater than 10. 12 greater than 10. Okay. So, last symbol, that is equal to. Is equal to means that two numbers are equal. For example, 12 and 12. So, what symbol you have to put? Yes, that is equal to. So, we have to read that 12 is equal to 12. Okay, this is the comparison of numbers. We can now, I think all of you understood well. Now you go for another one, that is ascending order and descending order. Okay. So, what is that? Ascending order and descending order. So, what is ascending and what is descending? So, ascending order is nothing but we have to arrange the numbers. For example, there are 2, 3, 9, 1 is there. Now, we have to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. Means we have to arrange these numbers first lowest number by highest number. So, first of all, you have to choose the lowest number from these 4 numbers. Which is the lowest number? Yes, that is 1. So, in ascending order, first of all you have to write this 1. So, 1 is over. Next, which one is smaller? Yes, in 2, 3 and 9, 2 is smaller one. So, next you have to write 2. So, 2 also over. Next, remaining numbers are 3 and 9. In this, 3 is smaller than 9. So, next you have to write 3. So, 3 also over. Next, which is remaining number? That is 9. So, we have to 9 here. So, this is called ascending order. This is called ascending order. If you write reverse of these numbers from bigger one to smaller one, if you take first bigger one, after that smaller one, that is called descending order. Descending order. So, in descending order, first of all you have to write the bigger one. Which is bigger one? 9. So, first of all you have to write 9, after that 3, after that 2, after that 1. So, this is called descending order. Okay, understood? Now, we will go for worksheet. So, see, in this worksheet, in first bit you have that compare the given numbers and arrange the suitable symbol greater than, less than or is equal to in the given blank. So, in these blanks you have to put these symbols, that is greater than, less than or is equal to. So, first one, this is 4732 and this is 2102. So, in this which is bigger one and which is smaller one. So, to compare these number, first of all we have to for example, this is a 4-digit number. and this is a 3-digit number. So simply you have to choose, if you have to choose bigger number, you have to choose more digits. This is just 3 digits. This is digits place or ones place, tens place and hundreds place. And in these units place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. So in these there are 4 digits are there, and in these only 3 digits are there. So naturally it is bigger than this. So we have to put a greater than symbol. So in comparison of numbers, first of all we have to compare the digits. Which one have more digits, that will be the bigger number. If two numbers have same digits, then how to find? Yes, if this is first number and this is second number, see, in this also there are 4 digits and in this also there are 4 digits. So how to compare these two? First of all we have to go from the left side. Yes, so in left side there is number 4 is here, and this side also number 4 is here. So same numbers, these are equal. So we have to go for next number, that is 3 here and here also 3 here. So same numbers. So next we have to go for next number, that is tens place. Tens place has, so these have same numbers, so equal numbers are there. So next we have to go for another number. Here this is 2 and this is 1. So 1 is smaller than 2. So naturally this is the biggest number. So we have to put a greater than symbol here. Okay, did you understood how to compare numbers? First of all we have to choose more digit numbers, that is bigger one. If same digits are there, same number of digits are there, we have to compare that number from left side. From left side we have to compare. So first of all go for thousand place. If that is same, go for next place. If that is also same, go for another one. If that is also same, go for last one. Okay, like this we have to compare. Now we will compare in first bit. Okay, in this bit, see here 4732, 2102. These also same 4 digit numbers, but in thousands place, this has 4, this has 2. So naturally this is the bigger number than this. So we have to put a greater than symbol here. Okay. So in next one this is 5790 and this is 579. In this there are 4 digits, in this there are only 3 digits. So this is the bigger one. So we have to put a greater than symbol. Okay. Next one, this is 4306, this is 4063. In this there are 4 digits, this also has 4 digits. So we have to compare from left side. So take the thousands place first, this is 4 and this is also 4. So go for next hundreds place. In hundreds place this is 3 and this is 0. So 0 is less than 3. So this is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. So we have to put a greater than symbol. Always put a open symbol to bigger one side. Okay. Next one, this is 6759 and this 6759. So this and this are same numbers, so you have to put a is equal to symbol. Next one, this is 1073, this is 9875. So this also has 4 digits, this also has 4 digits. So you have to compare from left side. So from thousands place, in this thousands place there is 1 and here there is 9. So naturally 9 is bigger than 1. So this is the bigger number. So here we have to put a open to this side. So this is less than symbol. Okay, next one. This is 10,021. This is 10,201. So in this there are 5 digits. In this also there are 5 digits. So simply you have to compare from last place, from left to side place. So that is 10,000 place. Here this is 1 and this is also 1. So go for next. In this is 0, this is also 0. So go for next one. This is 0 and this is 2. So 2 is bigger than 0. So this number is bigger one. So we have to put a less than symbol. Okay. So this is the first bit. Next bit. In second bit, write the following numbers in ascending order. So for ascending order, we already learned that we have to choose the numbers first which is smaller and which is bigger. So in ascending order, first of all you have to write the smallest one, after that bigger one. So in this first one, this is 3,763, next 4,700, next 608, next 17,364. So which is smaller one? Yes, this has the smaller one because this has only 3 digits. So in first place which one will come? This will come, that is 608. So in ascending order, first one you have to write this 608. So 608 first, after that 3,763, next 4,700, after that last one 7,364. So this is the ascending order for first one. Okay. Okay, I will clear this, I will erase this. So note down. I will go for next one. Okay, next one, second one, 589, 9,654, 12,371, 6,439. So in this which is smallest one? First of all you have to choose that. So this has only 3 digits. So this is the smaller one. This is the this one will become in the first place. After that this has also 4 digits. This also 4 digits, but this is 6,000. This is 9,000. So this is the smaller one than this. So second place for this and third place for this and fourth place for this. So first of all you have to write 589, after that 6439, after that 9654, after that 12371. So this is the ascending order for second one. Okay. So next one, we will go for next one. So in next one, this is 15,763, this is 12,057, this is 12,507, this is 15,736. So first of all choose the smaller one. So this is 15,000, this is 12,000, this also 12,000, this 15,000. So these two are 12,000. So in this, which is smaller one? Check first. So this is 1, this is also 1. So next place 2, 2. So next place this is 0, this is 5. So 0 is the smaller than 5. So this is the smallest number. So this will become in the first place smaller one. In ascending order this will come in first place. In second place this will come. And after in this you have to compare, this is 1, this is also 1, this is 5, this is also 5, this is 7, this is also 7. So go for next place, this is 6, this is 3. So naturally this is the smaller one. So in ascending order, first of all you have to write 12,057, after that 12,507, after that 15,736, last one 15,763. So this is the ascending order for third one. Okay children, right. Next bit. In next bit, write the following numbers in descending order. So you have to write these numbers in descending order. There are 3 problems are there. We will go for first one. This is 6,050, 6,500, 6,005 and last 6,000. So in descending order, first of all you have to write the bigger one. So in this, which one is bigger? First of all you have to choose that one. So this 6,000 is smaller one. So this is 6,005, this is 6,050, this is 6,500. So in all thousands place there are 6, but if you compare the next place, this is 0, this is 5, this is 0, this is also 0. So this is the bigger one than these 3. So first place, in first place the 6,500 will come. So after 6,500 which will come? So first of all you have to write 6,500. After 6,500, in these 3 numbers go for next place. This is 5, this is 0, this is also 0. So 6,050 will take the second place. So for next one, compare the another one. So in these 2, the fourth place, this is 5, this is 0. So this is the bigger one. So in next place 6,005 and in last place that is 6,000 smaller one. So this is the descending order for first problem. Okay. Next problem. What is next problem? See this. This is 7,895, 18,795, 19,785, 15,978. So in this only you can compare, this is 17,000, this is 18,000, this is 19,000, this is 15,000. So 19,000 is the biggest one, after that 18,000, after that 17,000, after that 15,000. So in first place you have to write 19,785, after that you have to write 18,795, after that you have to write 7,895, at last you have to write 15,978. So this is the descending order for second problem. Okay, we will go for last one. So see this, 15,763, 12,057, 12,507, 15,736. So if you compare these two, this is 12,000, this is also 12,000. So go for bigger one, this is 15,000, this is also 15,000. So in these two, which is bigger one? This one is in this 7, this is also 7, next place this is 6, this is 3. So this is the bigger one. So in first place, in descending order, first place 15,763, after that 15,736. So in 12,057 and 12,507, 12,507 is the bigger one, so 12,507. So last one 12,057. This is the descending order for third problem. So this is your worksheet, very simple and easy one. I think all of you understood well. So if you understood well, like this video, subscribe the channel first so that you can have the notifications and share with your friends. Okay children.